As a parent, we are constantly looking for best material and best guidance. But are you sure you are making your child learn one of the best content? So here I have a very simple example of a content that is from one of the reputed online sources, and if you go through the language, you can understand what is written. Can you? Definitely, you would require lots and lots of dictionaries to understand when it says amorphous solids are those having languid stream rates. I don't know what does it mean, but probably someone can decipher it. If this is the kind of content which is being brought to the student, what would happen? Children are like a sponge. If you give them fresh water, they'll absorb fresh water. If you give them muddy water, they'll absorb muddy water. So make sure your guidance and the content that you are providing is totally correct. Any incorrect information can be dangerous for your child. This material looks to be good, to be systematically arranged, but makes no sense out of it. Right? In the same way, we understand that there is a huge difference between a quality content and a content. So make sure you are providing your kids quality content and not just content. It's the same difference if we go on to the traditional mode of learning. On one end, you have textbooks with well-known authors. On the other hand, you have past books. So what would happen if you are going through past books, and what would be the difference if you are going through textbooks? The same difference comes in with the online mode as well. So make sure wherever you go, you are identifying the right references. With research ethics getting extremely poor, most of the content nowadays comes up as you can see, this content appears to be well systematic, but most of the language is synonym replacement. So in the Microsoft Word, they are just replacing the words, and this makes no sense out of the content. So it's very important to understand, as you can read the content, it does not make a sense, and therefore it's important to understand that a sensible content should be provided to the student, and be very careful about the right material which is being provided to the students.